When Sensex will reach 1 lakh, what happens when Sensex increases? To help you get better insights, we have our industry expert Mr. Chintan Arira with us. Chintan, could you please elaborate on this?
Friends, look at the chart in front of you. What does it show you? What does it explain to you? It is our very own India growing from 1991 to 2022. It is our very own India growing from 2001 to 1991, 92 to 2022. As you can see, the power of compounding right in front of you, unraveling itself beautifully. 2004-5, when I started my career after my chartered accountancy in ICICI Pro, we were 30 lakh crores total. Our economy, our GDP was 30 lakh crores total. Entire economy of India was 30 lakh crores in 2005. Power of compounding. In 15 years' time, that 30 lakh crores has become a 300 lakh crore economy as we exit 2023. So from 30 lakh crores in 15 years, 300 lakh crores. And every year now, we are adding 30 lakh crores to 35 lakh crores in GDP because we are growing at 12%. So what we were in 2005 total, that much we are adding every year to an India. We are adding an India equivalent of 2005 every year. You can imagine. For so many years of growth, what we were in 2005 at 30 lakh crore, we are adding in 1 year. That's the power of compounding. If you allow your investments to grow from 1992, where we were probably a 5 lakh crore economy, maybe, to today being a 300 lakh crore economy, you can see the power of compounding. 5 becoming 300 in 30 years. Think of it. 5 becoming 300 in 30 years. Growing 60 times in 30 years. That reflects in sales of companies, that reflects in profitability of companies. So as the country grows, the companies grow, right? And as the companies grow, the profits grow. As the profits grow, your market valuation of companies grow. So many people ask this question, will Sensex touch 1 lakh? It is 60,000 today. Let me show you one small picture of the Sensex. Sorry. You see the Sensex? And if you go back and remember the growth in GDP, growth in profitability, growth in sales, there's a consistency. If the economy will grow, the companies will grow. And if the companies grow, Sensex is nothing but a reflection of the top 30 companies in India. So will we be 1 lakh? Hopefully. If India grows, if you and I believe India is going to grow, and there is no reason to believe India is not going to grow, we will be 1 lakh at some point of time.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.